next step is going to be loading a recipe. Because we did a couple of purges out to the gun, you'll notice up on the booth control we have G00, and that represents the gun is flushed. But we have P61, which means we actually still need to load a recipe into the pump. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to select recipe 1, and the system's going to automatically flush the pump and load in that color. And again, it's doing that because I have color change on this system. So now the pump has been flushed and we've loaded color number 1 into the pump, and we're ready to load mixed paint out to the gun. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the mix manifold into spray. We're going to go ahead and hit the spray button, trigger the gun, and we're going to load paint all the way out to the gun. The system finished loading the gun now. We're going to go back into standby. Put the mix module into the flush position, and then I'm simply going to go up and I'm going to hit my purge button. So I've flushed that gun out. Now I can go ahead and do a color change and repeat the process for the next gun. The one last thing I want to leave you with is whenever you flush a gun, you always want to leave the mix module in the flush condition. You can put it back into the mix position when you're ready to use that gun again. But best practices, leave that mix module in its flushed position.